guys, Minelab Gold here. So we're out on the hunt for some more targets today at a new location. And as you can see, I'm filming with my shit camera just there in my hand. And this one in my right hand, that's my really good camera. Yeah, look at the quality on that one. She's real good. So as you all know, I film everything by hand. I don't use fancy stabilizers or gimbals or any of that sort of stuff. So for that fella, you can take it how you want, buddy, all by hand. So we've got a target there. See what I mean? They just jump out here. We know that's probably close to the surface, but like the ground noise sounds. Seen a rust nugget. Can't be that far away. I feel something heavy. I reckon it's a bit of lead. Yeah. We've got a piece of lead. Just looks like a old musket ball. Hey guys, it's me again. Just over there is where we got that musket ball. Okay, I noticed the red clay layer just there, and then how the gravels are running through the ground just in this section here. On my way back down there where I showed you guys just before, I've came across another target response. It's loud, it seems deeper than that one over there, and because we found the gravel layer on that one, we'll get this one here out. I'll plug the external in. So we're still in that same setting that I was explaining to you guys. Hear that? Beautiful. Okay, we'll get this one out and see what it is. I'll just sit you guys here. It's about 3 inches off that. See that beautiful gravel layer. Alright, we definitely know it's not junk. Tree root there. I'll just get that up out of that dust. Beautiful. Good area, this one. Really good. Real super shallow grounds. That's gold. That's going to be left be a couple of grams. It's only what, 6 inches now, so it's giving off a fair good response too. Okay, we're hitting some hard stuff now. Alright, I reckon we're almost right on it, guys. Let's see if we can get it out. Yeah, that's real hard. Almost on that red. Beautiful. Whew. So that's about, oh, that'll be 8 easy. Alright, that's out, guys. I'll bring it up. Okay. So you can see that, that's that real red hard layer we're on. Alright, let's see what we got. As you can see, we've got the 14 on today. Oh, that dirt, that soil, gravel is beautiful. Alright, in the scoop. In the scoop there, guys. Oh, I just felt something heavy in my hand. It's got to be gold. Oh, did you hear that? That's gold, guys. That is a nice piece of gold right in the front of the scoop. That's a little slug, that one. Still not huge, but oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a nice little chunk. Alright, we'll clean some of that dirt off and see what we got. Oh, that would go. That's a solid chunk. That'd be 4 grams. 3.5. I'll go 4. I'll be a little bit optimistic on this one. Wow, that's unreal. Gotta love that. It's good to have the 14 back on. 11 inch would have hit that though. That's only, what's that, probably 10 inches deep. Yeah, it's really good, this spot. Definitely brought in a good CGS score, that's for sure. I'll keep going and see what else I can find. Hey guys, it's me again. So we came across a couple of signals here. One seems like a good target response. The other one seems like a ground noise, but I'll show you. So we come across this way. This way. So we've definitely got a target here. What I'll do, I'll just sit the camera here, have we'll scrape it up and see what we got. See what goes back here. It's probably a bit better. There we go. Maybe come around a bit. Move that coil away. We've got the 14-inch on, so it picks up the pick in a fair way away when you're operating in general normal. Anyway, get this out. Big chunky quartz. Bloody tree root. Beautiful gravel. Whew. Okay, so we're out now, guys. I'll just bring you up here. So what's that, about 6 inches? Nothing special. Alright, let's see what we got. Could be in that big bit yet. I don't think it is though. Want to pinpoint that again. No, we'll go one more. Alright. See that? Something just hit then? No. Alright, try again. Oh, there it is. That's gold, guys. Right on the edge of the coil. Just sitting there. Beautiful. We'll get this out. That battery's almost dead. There it is. Battery's almost dead. I'll just give it a quick clean. Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful little piece. Maybe a gram in that. Yeah, that's cool. Well, I haven't really had many targets because I've done some explanations earlier on today. Come across a target just here. I'll plug in the external and give you guys a listen. Okay, we'll just get rid of this stuff here. Alright, I'll just sit you guys over here. Got to be a fair way away from the coil when we're operating in such a high setting. So you can see that as soon as we got that top layer off, just beautiful. Look at that. A little bit of sedimentary stuff, but the gravels are in there, so. Ah. Beautiful. Always good when they stay in. That's that really nice stuff there. Alright, definitely out. Definitely out there. I didn't really pinpoint that up, we'll just scoop. It's pretty big, we won't miss it. Oh, that's out already. Oh, bit of that yellow clay. Thought it was gold. I just had something heavy, and that's gold. That's gold, guys. Beautiful. We'll just bring that away from the coil. Just sitting in the front of the scoop. Another beautiful piece of gold. Just there. Alright, we'll check it out. Beautiful. Give that a clean up. Beautiful piece though. Probably, it's thin. I don't know if it'll go a gram. Be damn close. Oh, that's good. Very promising for the grounds. All the way up through there.